presenting the 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include transmission oil cooler, AutoTrack active transfer case, 3.73 axle ratio, 4-wheel drive, HD 600cc battery, 7-pin trailering wire harness, integrated front tow hooks, smooth ride suspension tuning, independent torsion bar front suspension and multi-link rear suspension. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.